$29, $54, $186, $368. Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposit of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. So fine guys, as always, I'm going to use several indicators. Now I'm checking the bars. And what do we have here? And yes, I'm with two pleasant and beautiful girls today. So if you want to get more of them and check them on my YouTube channel and TG, be with me and see them. Now I'm choosing the candles, and what can we find here? First of all, let's add some indicators. First one will be ADX, and I'm setting it right now. Okay, just give me several seconds for that purpose, please. It's so fucking pleasant. Yeah. Okay, so it's done. Now let's proceed to the next one. It will be zigzag. Now I'm choosing the colors. Okay, so now I can clearly see it. Donchen channel. Okay. So well, once again it's done. Fine guys, so now we are ready to start our work. According to the first trade, you can clearly see that we are moving in the down-going trend, and we are receiving a very good pullback reaction from the zone. So according to the ADX, you can also see that we're in the buy zone. And that's why I'm going to invest my first $14 here. Open, just give me some several seconds. So, okay, this will be sell position because I have changed my opinion. You know why? Because I think that we're highly likely to break through the support line zone and continue falling as far. So if we do this, and now we have showed the new low, we will continue drop significantly more and more. So this will be done anyway, yes. Let's just relax and see what market will show to us. Just give me several seconds and we will see the result. By the way, guys, as always, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute. And I'm investing my whole deposit on each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Fine, guys, so it's done. The first trade was profitable one. We have around $29 on the account and we are ready to continue doing this. Just give me some time for analyzing the market and find the next currency pair for our trading activity. Okay, so now let's check USD IRS currency pair. Fine, according to the ADX, we have some capacity for the growth, and that's why I'm going to change first of all our investment to $27 and open sell position here, because according to the zigzag we are in the sell zone, and that's why we will highly likely continue dropping, and together with this we are moving in the down-going trend, in the down-going channel, and that's why we will continue dropping as fuck more and more. Fine, according to the ADX we are overbought, and that means that we still have some capacity for the current drop, and we are showing this right now. Okay, my friends, so one more profitable trade on our account. We have around $54, and now I'm going to make some more. Just give me one more time, several seconds for analyzing the market. Okay, so let's check NZD-CAD. What can we find here? So as you can see, we're now in the consolidation zone, in the flat movement. Let's check better USD-BDT. And fine, what can we find interesting here? Let's check ADX first. You can clearly see that we have hit the strong level of resistance. First of all, I'm going to change my investment to $51. Now I'm going to add some more positions, because I'm absolutely sure that we will highly likely break through the resistance line zone and continue growing. So if we do this, all we need right now is to show the new high, and after this continue growing. So guys, let's just wait a little bit and we will see the results. This trade is also profitable. We have around $99 in the account. Yes, I understand that this is not a big sum yet. However, just give me some time and I will pump my deposit. All in all, we had just around $7 in the very beginning. Now we have around $100 in the account, and that's quite enough. And we are going to make much and much more. So now I'm going to choose the next currency pair for the trading activity. And by the way, guys, while you're watching this video, please don't forget to check my description to use my YouTube video and get access to my Telegram channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. Here you will get access to everything you want to become a professional trader. Daily trading signals, daily analytics, and educational materials that will help you to upgrade your skills. And the most important thing is that if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my VIP channel, and here you will be able to start trading and learning together with me online each day in the same kinds of trading sessions just like this. So don't waste your time and be with me right now. So while I was talking, I have opened one more sell position. I have invested $97 in the sell position. Why I have done this? Because you can clearly see that we have hit the zigzag line, which is our resistance zone, and after this I have received a very good pullback reaction, and that's why we have opened this position. Yes, we have not the best entry points, but all in all, this downgoing movement is already confirmed, and after this we will highly likely continue dropping. So for now, everything is going quite well. Let's see what market will finally show to us. So guys, it's done. We have around $186 in the account. One more profitable trade for today. So now, once again, let's think a little bit and choose the next currency pair for the trading. And yep, according to this chart, you can clearly see that we are in the upgoing trend that will be continued because, first of all, we were in the consolidation zone after a good drop. Now, having shown a very good support line zone, you can clearly see that we can use must-bound strategy, and according to it, having hit this support line zone 3 times, now we will highly likely show a good growth, and we have opened buy position investing our $186, and we will highly likely receive a very good reaction. And we did it, we received it. So now let's just relax. We have a very good entry point, our position is absolutely safe, and we will highly likely receive money from this trade. So finally it's done, guys. We have around $368 in the account, and this is a very good result because just remember we started with just $7 and we have turned them into $3,000 and around $70. This is amazing. So my friends, if you want to have the same results on the market, all you need to do is just open description to this video right now, subscribe to my private TG, write me Michael, I want to become VIP, and get access to my VIP channel. Do this right now, don't waste your time and be with me.